It's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply lashes using Dodolashes. I think it was in D309. So if you want to see how I apply lashes, keep on watching. Okay, so today we are going to be applying my lash. These are the Dodolashes in D309. They're very curly and I like it. So first thing I do is I get liner, black liner, liquid liner. This is in the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner. And I'm going to put that on my lash line just because the glue always ends up getting everywhere, and I do prefer black glue rather than clear glue, or the dark tone glue rather than clear glue, so I like doing this. Okay, so I use a little thin layer at first, and then later on I'll fix it or add it or change it or do whatever I need to do to it. So then I get mascara, and this is the MAC False Lash Extreme Black. It's a little sample size. All my mascaras, I don't really prefer a specific mascara, so I like to apply this before I do apply the lashes. Now I grab the little lash, I grab the glue. This is the Duo Lash Glue, Lash Adhesive in a dark tone. It has like a red strip on it. And I get my tweezers. These are the e.l.f. ones. I love these so much. Okay. Now, I like to put it a little bit on top and then a little bit on the actual band, just because that's my preference. I start in the middle, and then depending on what to do, I kind of go forward or backward. And so I put it on the top first of the band and then on the actual band. Now, if you want to start doing makeup on other people, I recommend not to blow on the lash if you're doing it on other people. I'm doing it on myself, so I don't really care, but I do kind of wave it and blow at it, and I'll count up to like 20 seconds, and then I check to see if it's good or not. Okay, so you'll see little by little it stops looking so liquidy. You want it to get to kind of like a tacky texture, not such a liquidy texture. So it'll kind of look clearish at certain points, but if it's like very glossy and you don't see any like black in it, that means you probably have to wait a little bit longer. Okay, mine looks good. So I kind of put it upward a little bit more, and then I go down and I place it. And then I grab my little tweezers and I adjust it if it needs adjusting. Okay, it came out pretty good. Okay, now I adjust the I adjust the liner again. Okay, so that is my how to put on lashes. These are the Dodo lashes, how to apply Dodo lashes. These are the D309s. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Love you guys. Bye. Hello everyone. So if you enjoyed my Dodo lashes video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.